you can set up a fully customizable divider in between content blocks. To do this, first we need to create the divider block in the Content panel. In the Content panel, select the page where you would like to add your divider. We are going to add a divider to our home page. Choose the green plus sign and select Divider. If you want to have text in your divider, type it under Label. Scroll back up and select Design this page. Now we can customize our divider. Click on your divider in your website preview panel. On the right-hand side, we can change how your divider lines look and change the line's color. We can also select between multiple placements for your divider's label, its color, capitalization, size, and more. We're going to change the size of the label and the color of the background container to match the rest of the website. This is just the beginning of what you can do with a divider on your website, so try it yourself. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support at support@gospacecraft.com. For helpful articles and more videos, check out support.gospacecraft.com.